Well, it's an exciting day for me. Over the last year, I've written enough material to put out an album, and I decided I've done pretty much every format, mostly streaming, but I decided at long last in my life to put out a vinyl record, and I just got it today, and I wanted to give you a look at it. This is the test pressing. This is the album. It's called Better Angels, and very excited about getting it. I've already looked at it to make sure everything was in the right place. So the test pressing is probably going to be fine. I have not yet played it, which I will play it today. But there's the front and the back, and I'll show you what it looks like. And I'll tell you a little bit about the company that I used to do this. So this is the inner sleeve. And well, let's put it this way. And you can see there. And then the back is exactly the same. It takes a lot to do all this artwork and upload it, and I don't want to spend a lot of time on details on the cover and stuff, just the basic stuff. I wrote it, recorded it, copywritten it, and then on the inside, you can see it has the little, let's put it this way, there we go, and I don't know if you can see up close, but it has the song titles, side A, side B. That's not really focusing very well, but you get the idea. The vinyl feels pretty hefty. It's like old school vinyl. It's really nice. I'm looking forward to playing it. If this test pressing sounds good, what they do for you is, the great thing about this company, you don't have to order like 600 copies of this. I don't have 600 people that are going to buy this record. But if you like your test pressing, they let you set up a little website where you can sell your record, and they'll do it on demand. So if somebody orders it, they'll press it, send it out. A lot faster than getting the test pressing, because this was the original version. So now that it's been done, if I approve it, very easy to get. And I had a choice of how much to charge for it. I charged the least amount that I could, which gives me the least profit. But this really isn't about profit. I would like anybody who has a record player to have it. I think it's a pretty good collection. I had a good year, and it's not everything I've written, but it's what will fit on vinyl. So you only get like, I think 20 minutes a side or 22 minutes a side. So anyway, the company is called Elastic Stage, and they're out of England. And I looked at a lot of disc makers, and this looked like one of the best ones just because of the way they do things. I had a couple questions and issues. I emailed them, and boy, quick response back, completely thorough. And now they got it to me. Assuming this sounds good, I will set up my little space and I'll post it. But wanted you to get a first look at that. So, all right, let's go forward. I'm going to go listen to it right now, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so the vinyl came out very well. Here's the website where you can look at it and listen to some of the clips. It's elasticStage.com/Eisenstein music. And if you look down here, you can click on the record, and it gives you little samples of some of the music, which I think is really cool. So the only drawback with Elastic Stage is these are pressed one at a time. So if you order a vinyl copy, it will probably take about a month for them to get it shipped out to you. It's a little less expensive to produce them this way, and I know it takes a little bit of time, but I'm also going to have probably in about 5 weeks' time a CD available, which will be less cost and probably be able to be shipped out even quicker. So when I look back on the songs on this record, I realize that really for me it was kind of an escape of all the madness that's been going on this year in the United States, but even more so a tribute to the people who are still staying strong, still protesting, still speaking out for others that couldn't speak for themselves, and the people doing good things regardless of circumstance. And these are certainly our better angels.